Hello, welcome to Comfycozyup. So today I'm going to be doing my November book haul, and for the month of November I picked up quite a few books, but luckily most of them I actually finished reading already. So this is like a good feeling haul, where I'm not just hauling books and not reading them, but I read most of these. So the first book I want to talk about is Men We Reap by Jasmine Ward, and this is a memoir that she talks about her family and as well as friends that came in her life that passed away, as well as her community and the changes and the economic struggles that she had in the community. I'm definitely going to do a full review on this, so I'll talk about more of it later on. But I would say this is a really good memoir. It's a very emotional book, and so it took me a little longer than I wanted to read it, but I'll tell you why in my review, why it took me so long. The next books are a series. It's a romance series, and I already did a review on that, so I will link it in my description bar. But the first one is called Defy. The second one in the series is called Vicious. The third one in the series is called Ruckus. And the last one in the series, which is Scandalous. And it's an interesting romance novel series. And, check out the review and you'll get more detail why, how I felt about it. So the next book I almost finished. I'm probably going to end up finishing this today. And it's Gabrielle Union, We're Gonna Need More Wine. And this is a memoir where she talks about her life growing up, her parents, her career, and some tragic events that happened in her life, as well as her marriage. And I loved it. So far it is raw, but it feels so like a girl talk, like she's just sitting there having a discussion and sharing some of the things that happen. And there's some things in this is just extremely funny and I laugh, and then there's some stuff where it's just like, wow, you think it makes you think and wonder how she coped with it. I definitely want to review this as well. I think it's a good memoir, and it's one of those memoirs that I like reading where I wasn't bored at all. It was just like there was always something interesting going on that she's talking about. So it's a good one. The next one I picked up is another memoir, and it's by Gabrielle To The Bay, and this is Just My Face, Try Not to Stare. And this one I picked up, especially after I saw the price. I couldn't believe it was like $5 on Amazon. And it's a hardcover, but I'm always, interested in, hearing some of her experience, things that she's endured, especially in Hollywood, being a, plus size and not the typical looking Hollywood woman. So I'm looking forward to this book. I'm probably going to read it next. And the next book I picked up was August Town, and this one is I talked about in my Read My Country tag, and this is one of Jamaican author, and I went into the bookstore not expecting to find this because I really wasn't looking for it at the time, but it was right in the front and I was like, yes. Plus it was Black Friday and the sale was pretty decent on these, so I definitely picked this up. I don't know a lot about the story, but I keep hearing people telling me it's really good. It's very mystical in terms of our Jamaican ghost tale or things that we talk about to survive certain situations. So I am definitely going to really get into this. Not sure if I'm doing it December or January, but I definitely will be reading this soon. And that's all the physical books I got this month. I did pick up quite a few ebooks, especially on Black Friday, where the ebooks were pretty much, really good deals on the ebooks. So I have a lot of ebooks versus physical books. And even with that, I've read quite a lot of ebook as well recently. So anyway, that's all I have for today. And thanks for checking out my channel, and have a good day. Bye.